Jeremiah Campbell here with Brickworks Property Restoration. Today we're going to talk about what is cultured stone. Cultured stone, also known as manufactured stone, is exactly what it sounds like. It's stone to make look like it's real. One of the biggest benefits is how it's actually a lot lighter weight and it's a lot more consistent. So with a proper installation, we can actually get a real feel, a real look without the added weight that's going to add pressure and stress to wherever it's being applied. There's several different styles of cultured stone. However, why it's so vastly used is it can be applied over any surface. We can apply it over wood surface, we can apply it over concrete surfaces, we can apply it over existing brick surfaces. The preparation may be a little bit different, but the end product is absolutely beautiful. The thing that sets Brickworks apart with the installation is our experience in how we actually install. The purpose of cultured stone is to make it appear natural. This is by the patterns in the way that we actually properly install. So not all installation is created equally. That's why you need to call the expert at Brickworks Property Restoration. The cost of cultured stone compared to the real stone alternative is about 1/3 of the cost. When you're installing real stone, the process takes at least 3 times as long. So the speed of installation and the cost of installation are going to save our clients and customers a ton of money. A few of the areas that we love to install cultured stone is on the front of your home. The curb appeal around accenting along the base of your house, along your chimneys, around different pockets or gables on your home. No matter whether it's outside or inside, the popularity of cultured stone because of the affordability and the aesthetic is an amazing investment into your property. If this is something that you've been looking to upgrade the appearance of your home inside or outside, give us a call at 586-868-3234.